Are they happy to see me or not? Oh. Oh, yep, I slept incredibly well. Oh, but what's going on? Where did Eagle Rock go? Oh, 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 save me! Oh, save Cam! Somebody please stop this thing!
Where in the world can you be, Cam?
Help me! Save Cam!
Got you! Cam is trapped inside his camping trailer, and it's rolling down a hill really fast. I can't stop it! Hurry!
All right, Helly, let's go, guys!
Right!
Helly, we've reached the bottom of Eagle Hill. Is camp near?
Camp's moving towards you guys now!
Right, let's get ready. Now!